I'm gonna try to go this real quick. So for my SD corrupted and make my computer crash, kept giving me this error right here, PFN disk corrupted, and I kept restarting my computer. Anytime I try to format it, it'll crash it. So I got these steps from a video from the user solving the web, and for mine, my 64 gig is already fixed, but it will show 2 volumes. And it should show like this. You show this and this. Okay, so let's get to the steps. So you're gonna hit Win+R, and you type diskpart. After you do that, now you're gonna type list disk. Then it's gonna list the disks that you have on your computer. This is 931, 238, 1800 megabytes. So you might want to open your PC so you can get your drives and you can get an idea of what is what. So this one is 220, which is my main hard drive, so you don't want to mess with this one. 931 right here, you don't want to mess with that one. And this is 1.83 gigabytes, so it's disk 2. So it's this I want to select, so I'll type select disk 2. For yours it might be different, so you're gonna type in whatever number yours is. After you do that, I'm gonna type in select partition 1. After that, you're gonna type in delete partition. And I'm gonna want to type in partition, hit enter. And I'm gonna want to type in clean. That. For mine, crash on this step. So if yours doesn't crash, just do this step 8 and 9. So I'll just do steps 8 and 9 real quick. So you're gonna type in create partition primary. Spell that wrong. Let me do that real quick again. Okay. This part is and create the partition. I'm gonna just write format. And with this, I'll explain the other steps in case you're crashing step 7. So like I said right here, if your computer restarts at step 7 like mine, just let the PC restart. After mine restarted, the SD card, it showed empty. So for mine, it just showed like this. And then whenever I try to format it, it wouldn't format. I'll just say it couldn't format it. So if yours doesn't want to format on your computer, you just go connect your SD card to your phone. And your phone's gonna say it does not support this SD card, and then when you need to format it, just press yes, and then your phone will do the rest and format the SD card. For mine, after that, the computer just read the SD card and showed it regular. So I know it's pretty quick. Hopefully this fixed your issues. So yeah, good luck, you guys.